Part 1. First-time login guide with VNeID. In this section, I will log in using VNeID. Use the VNeID app to scan the QR code or enter your ID number and password on the Ministry of Public Security login page. Next, use the VNeID application to scan the QR code or enter your identification number and password on the login page. Fill in the required information to update your account, then verify the OTP sent to your email. After logging in successfully, this is the VNeID Digital Certificate Management screen. Part 2. Digital Signing on Microsoft Office. In this section, I will guide you on how to sign a document in Word, one of the Microsoft Office applications. After completing the digital signing, you can return to GoPaperless Agent to view the signing history. Part 3. PDF Digital Signing. In this section, I will guide you on how to sign a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Part 4. Digital Signing on DigitalTransformation.